Bleecker Street and LD Entertainment are teaming up for you distribution rights to Max Minghella's directorial debut film Teen Spirit. Starring Elle Fanning as a shy teen from a small European town who dreams of pop stardom, the pic had its premiere at the Toronto Film Festival and will be released in theaters sometime next year. Written by Minghella, the plot centers around Violet Fanning, who, in search of an escape from her dismal surroundings and with the help of an unlikely mentor, enters an international singing competition that will test her integrity, talent, and ambition. Rebecca Hall, Zlatko Buric, and Agnieszka Grochowska co-star. Fred Berger, La La Land, produced the pic with Jamie Bell serving as executive producer. Interscope Records co-produced with Automatik and Blank Tape. The deal was co-repped by Ka and Mr. Smith Entertainment, and the film is being sold internationally and co-financed by Mr. Smith.
What do you think about it? Share your opinion in the comments below the video. And also subscribe to the channel not to miss new, interesting videos.